Hi guys, welcome to this video lecture. This is Dr. Moorthy, working as assistant professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is a lecture series of engineering mechanics. In this video, we are going to discuss about a topic called moment and couples. Yes, we know that moment and couple both are in the form of a rotation. Yes, the moment is produced the rotation with the help of a single force, whereas a couple is produced two equal and opposite forces acting some distance. It produces the rotation. So this rotation either clockwise or anti-clockwise based on the direction of forces are applied, right? Yes, we know that in this video we will discuss one by one. So here the moment of the force, as I said earlier, the moment is one of the rotation is produced by a single force is acting at some distance from the reference point, and it produces the rotation. So the moment of a force is calculated by multiplying the force with perpendicular distance from the reference point. So the moment is equal to force into distance. So this moment direction is depends on the force where it applied either side of the reference point. So this moment either clockwise or anti-clockwise, and the unit of moment is Newton meter. And next, as I said earlier, this moment the direction or rotation direction is depends on where the force is applied, either the right side or left side with respect to the reference point. So this if in the first diagram you see the force is applied at the right side of the reference point, so that it produces the clockwise rotation. Likewise, in the second one, the force is applied in the left side of the reference point, and it produces the anti-clockwise rotation. So this is whether this given picture is whether it is a stable or unstable. So this is what we are going to discuss in this lecture video. In the left side of the reference point, so we have the 500 Newton forces acting. At the same time, the right side of the reference point, we have 100,000 Newton for or the person is sitting, and we are calculating the moment of the both weights. In the left side we have 500 Newton acting at the distance of 2 meter from the reference point, so that we are calculating the moment is the force into perpendicular distance from the reference point. So 500 Newton multiplied with the 2, so we having the 1000 Newton meter moment. And the right side we have 1000 into 1, so it is 1000 Newton meter. So either side we are calculating the 1000 Newton is equal to 1000 Newton meter. So either side we have the same moment, so this given system is stable. So this is what we are going to have a clear understanding in the point of moment and couple. So here the moment, as we discussed, is the definition of force into distance, and it have the moment is a vector quantity, so it have both magnitude and direction. So this direction either clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation, as we discussed earlier. And the some examples which are the wrenches is used for to tighten the bolt and nut, and the doors, levers, the doors are either clockwise or in the anti-clockwise, and the same as levers. And so this is the same application as given in the previous slide. What size of counterweight it should be added in the left side of the pivotal point, so that the given system to be in the balanced one. At the same time, the what reaction force is provided by the support. So this is the real world application, so that we get the clear understanding about the moment and couple. As we know the clear understanding of both couple and movement, as we know that these both are the vector quantity. It producing rotation either clockwise or in the anti-clockwise, depends on the force is acting in the either side of the reference point, and also the distance between the force and the reference point. And it's an application of the couple taking the wheel of any automobile car, so that we are the steering is applied either clockwise or rotating in the either clockwise in the opposite in the anti-clockwise, depends on the direction in which we are applying the force. And yes, this is the application in the previous a slide, that is the either we are calculating the moment in the either side, so that the clockwise is equal to anti-clockwise movement, and we are calculating the distance of the self weight from the distance we have 0.5, and the right side we have 300 Newton force acting distance of 3 meter from the pivotal point, so that we are calculating and we getting the point that is the self weight 1800 Newton. If we are adding 1800 Newton weight in the left side of the pivotal point, so that the given system should be in the equilibrium position or the stable position. So in that way we are calculating moment and couple. Thank you for watching this video.